Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use Weebly. Now Weebly is an online website that hosts websites for other people that want to create their own website. It's a free program, unlike most website design programs, and you can access it anywhere as long as you have internet connection. So to begin this tutorial, I brought you to the Weebly site. Now you can either sign up through your Facebook, or you can create your own name, type in your full name, your own email address, and your password. Seeing that as I already have an account, I'm going to just log into my account. I'm going to log in with my Facebook. Now, once you log in, it'll take you to your My Sites page, where you will find all the sites that you have created. Now, for myself, I've already created a website called Digital Communications of Architecture. Now, I'm going to click on edit, and it'll take you to the editor site, where this is where you will begin the editing process of your own website. So, waiting for that to load. Now, once you get onto the editor site, you will see your first web page. It'll be your home page. Now, once you get to this part, you'll see on the side a set of toolbars that will help you with the actual design process of your website. Now, you have your basic toolbars, which are title, text. You could add an image and text, or just an image, and so on and so forth. With Weebly, they also have widgets, such as a map, where you can put in a map and it'll connect to Google Maps, and if you want to put a specific location, you can do so. It automatically defaults to in San Francisco. If you don't want to, you can always delete it by clicking the X at the top and then click on Are You Sure? Delete. And then it's automatically gone. Now, in order to add pages to your website, you would have to click on the top where it says Pages, and it'll take you to another page where you can add page, and you name the page and the type of layout you want the page to have. You can also, if you decide you don't want that page to be seen, you can hide it, or you can password protect it. And then you would have to, but that's only accessible if you have the Pro plan for Weebly. Now, when you finally decide what page you want to have, you go to the design page, and then this is where you work on the themes for your website. You can change your theme, and it comes with a multiple choice of templates that you would want to add to your theme, depending on what type of theme you want to have. If you want to have a specific set of colors, or if you're doing it for a specific job, seeing as this one looks more like it's geared towards photography, and this one looks like it's more geared towards children. So it all depends on what type of theme you want to have. And then you can also always change the styles of the lettering on your pages, or the colors. You can also have the opportunity to import a theme that you've created in another program, or you can have a custom theme where you can create by writing specific coding for it, such as HTML, CSS, HTML5, and so on and so forth. Now back to the build page. When you're adding things to your Weebly website, you have the opportunity to add multiple different widgets. So say if you want to add a video to your Weebly website, you can either add an HD video, which is only accessible if you have the Pro version, a Flash video, or a YouTube video. Now when you go to add it, say you don't have the video you necessarily want to add yet, you can just pop that right in and it'll put a placeholder for you on the page. So when you do have the video, double click,
if you want to add a YouTube video to your
get the YouTube video that you want to add, you put in the URL, and then it will automatically, we will automatically link it to the YouTube video, so the YouTube video is now put into your website. If you want to add a file to your Weebly website, you will drag the file widget over, and then once you do that, you double click and you upload a file, any file that's on your computer, and then anybody would be able to access that file that you have uploaded to your Weebly website. Some other features that are on Weebly is the social icon features. So say you want to be able to have people access a specific Facebook page that you have added to your website. You can just go up here, click, and Weebly automatically comes out with the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and email emoticons for you. If you want to add other social networking websites, there's also Flickr, Pinterest, Google Plus, and so on and so forth that you can add that will automatically take you to another website that is linked to your Weebly website. Another feature that Weebly offers is the mobile view of your website. So if you want to see what your website will look like on a mobile phone, you click the top button here, and it will take you to the current view of what your website would look like on a phone, and how you would operate the website if you were using a phone. So it's the same exact website, just with a phone view. And you can switch between an Apple operating system and an Android operating system. So, and the Weebly store, this is where you go when you want to purchase products to add to your Weebly page. So let's say if you want to have a page that's a store where people can go and purchase products, you can add a page, click add page, and then add store page, and then save and edit. And then you can go click on add product, you give your product a name, a short description of the product, determine if it's a physical good or a digital good. If it's a digital good, you have to upload it to the website so someone can buy it, but also anyway, that is only available if you have the Pro version. If it's a physical good, then you can just click on that, give it a price, how much it weighs, and then you would save the product, pretty much like Amazon or eBay. And another feature Weebly has is the blog page. So say if you want to keep a blog on your website, save and edit, you just, like any other blogger website, make a new post, title the post, and you can drag any elements that you want to add to this post and you can determine whether or not if you want to share it on Facebook or Twitter, have any comments, or determine if there's any necessary tags that you want to add to it. And then save, or you can save the draft to come back and edit it later, or you can cancel the post altogether. And then on the the blog page, there's a special blog sidebar. So if you want to add a Flickr badge or a LinkedIn button or a blogger author, you can do that. Blog feed, you can do that on the side. You can go into settings, and you can always change the site address of your website, the name, the site title of your website, and the site password if you want to make the site restricted to certain people. So overall, Weebly is a very straightforward website design program that would overall Weebly is a simple yet sophisticated website design program. And on the upside, you don't need to know how to code in order to create a good website. So overall, I would use Weebly. And that's it.